Fun fact, holding in your sneeze is basically playing Russian roulette with your face. Quote. Doctors say if you block a sneeze, the pressure in your head can shoot up to 24 times more than normal, enough to pop a blood vessel or even burst your eardrum. So next time someone says, don't sneeze, just tell them, bro, I like my face in one piece. And honestly, the way I sneeze. It's not a sneeze, it's a mini nuclear explosion. Neighbors probably think I'm summoning a demon. So yeah, let it out. Your nose is a pressure cooker, not a secret weapon. Stay safe, stay sneezy, and subscribe before I sneeze on you.